breathe to lose weight. There had been done a study in 2013 in India where they took 60 doctors and they tested out a Kapalbhati Pranayama method on all of them. And in the conclusion of the study, it was an 8-week study, and in the conclusion, the control group where 30 of the practicants of Kapalbhati lost significant amount of waist and hip weight by doing this breathing exercise. And it's really simple. The Kapalbhati basically means the shining of the skull in direct translation. And what it does, it increases the metabolism. So when the metabolism is increased in our bodies are burning more calories because of it. And the method is very simple. It's basically short and powerful exhales through our bellies. You can place your hand, one hand on the chest, one hand on the belly, and try to just squeeze the air out. It goes like... Try it for yourself. And the way the sequence works is that we're going to take a half breath in the first round, okay? So the first round is half breath in, normal breath in, and then start doing Kapalbhati, the exhales. So the force is only on the exhale. The inhale happens automatically, passively by itself. Okay, so the exhales, and inhale comes by itself. And we're gonna do this for around 1 minute. And then in the end, what you do is like you inhale as much as you can, exhale everything, and retain your breath now. When you exhale everything, retain your breath. You can also squeeze your nose. And when you feel like you cannot breathe anymore, then count from 10 to 1 in your head. This will allow you to retain your breath for a longer period of time. When you cannot hold the breath anymore, then take a big breath in and hold it again. Hold it and send the energy up. You can also imagine how the energy is moving from the bottom of your body to up to the skull. And you can exhale with a sigh like or you can also exhale with a om. And this is an ancient yogi technique that's been proven scientifically that it works, that it increases metabolism. So basically, it increases the calorie burning in your body. I hope you enjoyed this. Do a couple of rounds of these every day. Let's say 3 rounds. You can start with 3 rounds, like 15 minutes a day, and I guarantee you will see progress. And not only you will lose weight, you will also have higher levels of energy. You will have more steady mind, less mind, less overthinking, more calmness in your life.